Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a waiting period, today we will open the China parcel from Pandabuy. Pandabuy is the website that you can buy many Chinese products. From Taobao, 1,688 by the fastest and most convenient way. Sign up for free account and many good deals from Pandabuy. In my description. Route, China to Vietnam by EMS. Weight, 6.81 kilograms. Shipping fee, $37.76. Logistic time. Order, November 15th, 2023. Shipping, November 30th, 2023. Receive, December 15th, 2023. I've bought a lots of things for winter for my family. The carrier's packaging is very careful and professional. Let's me check how many products there are, guys. There are about 7 products in this huge parcel. First, I have 2 pairs of shoes for men and women. I'm extremely excited to wait for the quality of the product, and I hope it will be as I expected. This is a pair of white Korean style shoes. I loved it at first sight. You can see its leather quality is very good. The color is also quite beautiful and the form is very standard for me. These shoes can be combined with your everyday style. Looks simple but still elegant. Next is a pair of shoes for my brother for his birthday. Although the box on the outside is a bit distorted, the shoes inside still maintain their shape. Black sneakers are suitable for many purposes, such as going to school, going to work, and playing sports. With its color and style, these shoes can be coordinated with many styles. Please try it once by clicking on the spreadsheets I put in the description. And now we come to the hoodies. I have 2 hoodies, one black and one gray. The first is a black hoodie from Essentials. I really like how this brand's design looks, simple but extremely dynamic. The print is sharp, the fabric is not ruffled, and there is warm cotton inside. The second hoodie is light gray, size M, but looks quite large to me. At the collar of the hoodie there are 2 fixed buttons. The hood of the hoodie is super wide and the fabric of the hoodie is also very thick. The pockets are very spacious, suitable for a cold winter. Look what I have, a black blazer with accessories. I was really looking forward to wearing this blazer, but it seems a bit too big for me. This is an included accessory, but I don't know how to wear it. The fabric of the blazer is very good. The blazer has 2 layers suitable for fall or spring weather. And I also have a men's leather jacket. Personally, I find it quite personal and dynamic. The leather of the shirt is fine. I don't know if it will break over time or not, but at first glance it was similar to my imagination. You can see it's almost as beautiful as the picture. And finally, we come to the super warmest jacket of today. Super thick, super warm jacket. Hood helps keep you warm this winter. The zipper of the shirt is very smooth and easy to pull. The Korean style shirt color is very suitable for men in this weather. The two side pockets of the jacket are super spacious and super convenient. Link to all the products I put in the spreadsheet below the description. Everyone can check it out.